Hi everyone. I just saw something amazing in some footage that I took with my camera this evening. I was trying to take a time lapse of the Andromeda Galaxy and the results did not look impressive at first. But then when I was looking closely at the footage, right at the tail end, I caught something crazy. I see a bright flash and then red lines diverging from the flash. And I think that it's a piece of space debris colliding with something. It couldn't be a satellite because the way it diverges, and it couldn't be something really in deep space because it happens too fast. But I really can't think of what else it could be. Please check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I just wanted to add some details of what's in the video. So the original clip is about 8 seconds long, but it's a time lapse, so it's frames of 15 seconds each, 10 seconds apart, and 240 of them. So there's about 45 minutes worth of footage in that 8 seconds. And the event that occurs at the end of the video is a fraction of a second, but it's probably still occurring over the course of a couple, 3 minutes, I'm guessing, something like that. So that'll give you some idea.